Hello friends, this is Saida Binman from UPSC Aspirates, Indian Heritage and Culture, Literature and India. Classic Sanskrit Literature. The classical period of Sanskrit literature dates to the Gupta period and the successive pre-Islamic middle of the kingdoms. It is roughly to the correspond to the 4th century AD till arrival of Mohammedans, Ashghosh. Till 80 to 150 AD is considered to be the first Sanskrit domestic of the world. Contribution and work of the classical literature. Ashghosh write in classical Sanskrit. Puttacharit, Sariputra Prakaran and the Sondan Kavya. These three are the classical Sanskrit literature about the Ashghosh. Sutrak. The real name of the Sutrak was the Indranikut and he was the Apriya of the 1st or the 2nd century. The Apriyas was the contemporary and the vassal of the Satyavans. Sutraka has become immortal in the form of the 3 Sanskrit plays ascribed to the Mich Kartak Vinvavastak and Bana Padmabhatak. These are the plays of the Sanskrit. Mich Kartak is a play set in the ancient city of the Udyanai during the reign of the king Palaka of the Prakot dynasty. Prakot dynasty. The hero is the Charudatta, a novel but an improvised Brahmin, and the heroine is the Navadavani Vastasena. About the Bhasa, very little is known about the Bhasa. He is probably senior to the Kalidas and is one of the earliest and most celebrated Indian playwrights. His work were lost but rediscovered in the 1910s in Kerala. Sir Prakash Vandaram is the best known for the work of Bhasa. He was lost and rediscovered in the 1912 in Kerala. This play is around the Vatsa king Udyan and his queen is the Vatsa, the daughter of the Pratyodya, Pragot, the ruler of the Avanti. Kalidas. Kalidas is the immortal poet and the playwright of Indian and the peerless genius which work become the famous worldwide in modern history. Translation of Kalidas works in the numerous Indian and the foreign language has spread his fame of all the world and his rank among the top of the poets of all time. Kalidas' work in literature. Malvikagnimitram, Abhigyankundalam, Vikram Maurya Vishyam, Raduvanshiyam, Kumar Sambhav, Vitu Sanhar, Meghdut Bharti, Bhatti, Meg. These are the Kalidas' work in literature. It is about the account of the Rajsurya Rajna of the Pushya Suna, father of the Agmitu. It is about the story of the Dushyant king Hastinapur and the Shakuntala, daughter of the Saka and Vishwamitra and Apsara Menka. It is the story of the Puruvas, a Vedic king, and the Urvashi. Raghuvansha is a poem. Ritu Sanhari is also a poem which has six sargas. It mentions the feeling, emotion, and experience of lovers in 6 seasons. Ritu Sanhari is considered to be earliest work of the Kalidas. Meghdut is a message, means a messenger of the clouds. It is a poem with 11 stanzas. Vishakadatt, Dante, Bhartrihari, Ishwar Krishna Vyas, and Vatsyayan. These are also Kalidas' work in literature. It is the play of the Vishakadatt and the Mudraksha and the Devi Chandrakotam. Bhartrihari was a 5th century Sanskrit author who wrote Vakyapadiya, a treatise on Sanskrit grammar, and the Satyagrata, which is also known as the Nitishatak. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel.